So, hello. Today, dito sa game development natin, um, we're going to discuss yung part 2 ng topic, which is, last time, na-discuss natin is about yung yung pag-control ng character, which is yung, tawag dito, paggalaw ng character up, left and right. Ngayon, syempre, gagawin natin siya ng jumping and then collision detection. So, in this case, we're going to analyze what the Sir Ned Tubaga showed here in our video. Okay? So, I hope you, na sana masundan nyo po to for your preference in creating a moving character. Okay? So, let's start with our video analysis.
Last topic, we managed to make Super Mario walk.
So, nakikita natin sa video na
First thing we had to do is to select the player, which is Super Mario, and then in the inspector,
okay, so in this part, ang ginawa ni Sir Tubaga is to select the player and then punta sa inspector mode ng natin.
going to select the player script, which is name player movement Mario.
Okay, so yun nga, hinanap niya yung player movement ng character natin. Okay. So, opening your Visual Studio or Mono Develop, we're going to attach the jump script.
So back in our script, we're going to make a boolean bool.
Okay, so in this case, he declared boolean. Yeah, so because it will recommend jumping. Okay, so in this case, kaya niya gumamit siyang boolean, which is a statement for true or false for, sabi natin, if in case na, for example, he jumped, that means true. Or pagka hindi nag-jump, false. So, kailangan yung action ng event listener nun kapag na-execute yung true execution, so he can jump. Okay? So, yan, boolean.
Equals jump.
Jump ang pangalan ng boolean.
Is equals to false.
Okay. So, first, he declared it as false. Kasi, syempre, ayaw naman natin na pag nilagay natin yung statement as a true, nag-uumpisa pa ng execution ng program, talon na siya kagad ng talon.
Colon. Okay. We're going to the class update. And then, inside the update function,
so, inside the update function,
we're going to use an if statement function.
Okay. So, yeah, this is basically the kasi logic pagdating sa programming. So, we have this conditional statement. So, dito sa conditional statement ito, we have yung true. If something na nag-execute, it will execute what we did. So, for example, if the player, if the user press the jump, and then it will execute to something like true or false. Depende po sa conditional statement po natin. So, I hope some of you have tried yung sa conditional statement sa programming para may idea tayo pagdating dito. Pero just in case, we can learn something about this. So, press if.
So here, if input that get button down equals jump, the string jump, which is in the input manager.
Okay. So, another, remember yung time, last time we have yung horizontal input tag. Ngayon, meron tayong jump tag. Ngayon, automatic po yan sa Unity na which is kung ano yung sabi natin, kung pinangalan natin jump, pwede tayo mag-indicate ng buttons na magre-reflect para dito sa jump na name tag. Okay, so pwedeng ano yan, di ba? Basta lagay natin jump, o pwedeng space, o press A sa controller ng Nintendo Switch or something like that. Okay,
and then we're going to set it jump
so
is
statement
equals
jump
to
is equals
true.
to true. So,
And then,
ibig sabihin, kung in this case, if you press the jump or yung jump na yan, so consider natin each space button, mag-execute yung jump niya.
closing bracket.
Okay. So, balik tayo sa
After that, let's see, for the meantime, oops.
Okay. So, pag pinindot natin yung space, tatalon na siya. Pogi talaga ni sir. Pogi.
Okay, it says player movement Mario jump is assigned but its value is never used. So what we're going to do is return to the script.
Okay. So, nalagay natin yung declaration. Pero in this case, parang nagkaroon ng problem. So, let's see ano naging problem niya.
Jump through void picks update character
Okay,
movement
so fixed delta
horizontal move time fixed date delta time
So,
pulse,
gagawin natin
and then we're
jump.
going to change this pulse into
true.
jump.
Okay, so yan. So, balik tayo sa ano natin, program.
Now we're going to press play, and then for Mario to jump, we need to press space.
Okay, so nakikita natin.
As you can
anong
see, the
problema?
moment Super Mario jump is just only bouncing. Like
Okay.
so, in
tumatawid siya.
order to fix
So,
that,
gagawin niya,
we need to return to our script
Tayo sa script natin.
back in a fix update. So void fix update character jump horizontal move time fix delta pulse jump, and then for that we're going to jump equals pulse. So in the moment
So, dito, dineclare niya sir kumbaga na yung sa fix update na in case ng pagka tumalon, syempre, automatic naman true na yun. So, ibig sabihin, pag pinindot natin yung jump, tuloy-tuloy na yun. So, kailangan natin execution one time at a moment lang. So, nilagay ni sir kumbaga jump pulse para sa sakaling dito, i-put get button down, jump down. So, pinapindot natin. The moment na pinindot niya yan, mag-execute siya sa fix update na magpa-pause siya. So, para mangyari yan, isang pindot and then execution cancel.
you step back on the ground, the jumping will stop. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, so we're going to fix that
So,
into our character player.
Gagawin natin yung
Go to
graphic.
character controller, jump force. For example, we're going to make the jump force 600 or 700, and then
Dun sa character controller, adjustment jump force siya para mataas yung talon nga. Depende naman sa ano natin.
let's try it again. Not bad. Okay. How about 1000? Just jumping, what we're going to do, and then let's create
Okay, so,
Anime.
diba, nagja-jump na yung character natin. So, in this case, we need to create an animation na parang papakita na nagja-jump siya, diba? Tama? O ba? In this part, we're going to create an animation. So, animate natin yung execution ng jump niya.
animation, and then let's create an animation clip for jumping. Mario either create a new
We're going
clip
to create a new
which is
clip.
named Mario jump. So click the project file. And let's go to the Mario's jump script, Mario's sprites. Like this one. Okay, so close this one. Ano tayo? So in order to make Super Mario jump with an animation,
Okay, so pupunta tayo sa animator panel.
first we're going to click player, and then animator scene, and then let's make a parameter named parameter
So, dito,
with boolean
ang gagamitin natin
which
kasi
is
na true or false. Sabi natin jump.
is jumping. Okay,
So, para dito magkaroon tayo ng animation na mag-execute din. So, ang gagawin natin is
and then let's select the Mario jump animation.
okay. Ida-drag natin at tapos connect na natin doon sa player.
Okay, any right click, any state, make transition, and then make transition Mario jump into Mario idle. Okay, so first click this, and then this okay condition which is jump
jumping.
is jumping, and then
natin
if jumping through the animation will play, and then click this one, is jumping
false.
is false.
Okay.
So back in our script, let's make a jump
So, gagawin tayo
in the function if get button down, we're going to make Mario that movement. Okay, so, ito, set bool, which is
is jumping.
is jumping, because semicolon, space, colon, and then the condition which is true. Okay, let's try this one.
So, let's execute the program here. Sorry, my neck is having a problem.
If you press space, we can see that Mario is jumping, but he's jumping non-stop. If you check here in the flow with the animator, you can see that Mario animation is running non-stop. So what we need to do is to make it stop by going back to the fix update. So let's copy this one. Mario that movement is jumping, and then false. Now you can jump. You can jump while running. So as you can see, it's jumping, but the animation won't stop. Okay. So in order to do that, we need type the Mario jump, and then the loop settings. Uncheck this one, and then let's try this again. Now the animation jump play only once if we press the space button.
So, I think okay na siya. Ngayon, syempre nakakapag-walk na tayo, nakakapag-jump. So, kailangan natin ng di ba, parang challenge dito. So, in this case, we're going to use collision detection. So, for this part...
So now, Super Mario can run and jump. So, what we need to...
Okay. So, gagawa tayo ng... Okay.
And then paste it. Okay. Let's try this one.
Pero si Sir Kumbaga, he tried to input some tawag dito, platforms in this case. So,
give you in the download link later.
Okay.
We need to get now Mario's gun. So, in order to fix.
Okay, so this is a console.
Now let's.
Kumbaga. So, we have a platform, okay? So, syempre, depende sa setup natin, we will input anything na ano natin. So, pwedeng umakyat sa taas sa baba, gano'n, something like that.
Cross the platform.
The moment na nagano siya, he needs to, hindi na makita sa camera. So, in this case,
now, Mario's gun.
So, attach siya camera follow script, which is I will provide later. Okay?
So, in order to fix that, we need a camera follow to follow the player. And then paste it here.
Okay, so lagay po natin sa assets folder natin.
What it called follow object, follow offset. The camera follow script will show up. So as you can see in the camera follow script, we have this what it called follow object, follow offset, and speed. So what we need is to select the follow object, none, and then select the player.
Okay, so yung camera na script natin na nilagay natin.
As you can see, there is a blue border where the camera will.
First things first is yung camera script. We need to attach that in our main camera sa IRT natin. Pag okay na yun, punta tayo sa properties, yung camera follow, hanapin natin sino ba susundan. So, ang gagawin natin, we can select here in our follow options natin dito. So, select player, which is yun yung kailangan sundan.
Follow Super Mario. Okay.
So, ngayon, okay na siya. Okay, so makita mo, pwede ma-adjust yung sunod ng camera.
So, back to, okay, now we have the platform. Let's fix the camera. Okay, follow script, let's make the speed 5 and then the offset, okay, double click that one. Let's adjust it to 5 to follow him. Okay.
So, itong blue area na to, ito yung mangyayari. Lalabas na kung pag the moment na nalagpasan ni Mario yan, susundan siya ng camera.
Make it 5. As you can see, when is to make if Super Mario jumps and falls, the game will restart. In order to do that, we need to make a script that will have a collision detection.
Okay, so ito yung
So first, let's make
so gawa tayo ng character or
for example, in this sample, we're going to duplicate. Okay. Let's name it.
So, in case
out of order.
Syempre, pag nahulog ng character, paano kung ano siya, magpupunta siya sa lead.
Okay. So, okay.
So, kailangan, pag nalahulog siya, meron siyang surface na parang game over, something like that. So, ito tayo dito. So, ginawa niya ni Sir
Or, we can set it
transparency, para syempre hindi naman
transparent.
Ayaw niya naman pag nalaglag.
And then, with that, we're going to make a script.
So, script dito.
Player collision.
Okay, so pinangalan niya player collision.
Okay.
So, open na yung script. And then, we're going to declare. Okay, so pag open yan, dun tayo sa void na natin, void update.
Made a script named player collision.
So, bago
now,
yun,
we're going to type in as a header using
event, yung
Unity,
yung stage po
engine,
ng Unity. Okay? Kasi declaration sa screen, apektado yung screen po natin. Unity.engine,
scene management.
Okay. Kasi, doon natin na-execute yung kailangan natin. So, void update.
Okay. So in order to do
Sa
that,
public class,
we need to
declare
make a
ng
collision
public class.
script, which is first is type void on collision, enter 2D, collision 2D, okay, collision info dot collider dot tag, okay, engine dot scene management dot load scene dot scene manager.
Okay, so balik tayo Pag collision, if collision collide, so equals to player, so bago mangyari, i-reset yung laro.
Dot get active scene. Okay, open and close scene. Dot build index. And then semicolon. And then let's add the final semicolon, curly braces, closing curly braces. Now you can see Super Mario can run and he can walk. The camera can follow him, and if ever he falls, he's going to restart back again. So now I hope you learned a lot today. In our next topic, we're going to make player collision like rewards for Super Mario, and then
Okay, so yun po. Okay. So, yun po yung lesson natin for today is about jumping and then collision detection now. Just in case na next na topic natin is magagawa na tayo ng AI. So, later, I'm going to share na rin yung script nung kung paano ginawa ko as your reference. So, we need camera follow and then yung mong script to how to jump. Okay? So, sana masundan natin yung topic na to. So, thank you. So, see you soon. Okay. I hope you learned a lot today.